this problem here, we find that there is no arbitrage opportunity. Can I conclude here? There is
Yes, ma'am.
no opportunity. ठीक है? I will leave it here. But then when I see here, एक बार ध्यान से देख लेती हूँ, आपको बताती हूँ. See, if I buy from 3 में मुझे कितने में खरीदना पड़ेगा? My only issue is आप है ना टाइम पे ज्वाइन कर लो, because every time my mouse gets stuck when I try to admit him or when there is a request. See, 1.6550 में खरीद के 1.64 में बेचूं तो नुकसान होगा. सेम वे 1.85 में खरीदे और 1.6535 में बेचे तो भी नुकसान होगा.
लॉस होगा.
ट्रांजैक्शन मैं पुट थ्रू बिल्कुल नहीं करूंगी. सो देयर इज नो आर्बिट्राज अपॉर्चुनिटी. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? What is the next step?
Nothing will be there, because when there is no arbitrage, we will not do.
Nothing will be there का मतलब क्या है बेटा?
आगे हम नहीं करेंगे. मीन्स मैम जो हम 10 मिलियन 1 मिलियन से मल्टीप्लाई करते थे, फाइन.
आगे दूसरा प्रॉब्लम करेंगे. करेक्ट?
यस मैम.
Anything else? Any doubt here?
नो.
नहीं मैम, ये प्रॉब्लम में सिर्फ इतना लिखेंगे, देयर इज नो आर्बिट्राज अपॉर्चुनिटी, बस ना.
Very good. I'll give you another problem. ठीक है?
या
What is JPY? What is JPY?
जापान.
Japanese yen. Correct. And then I have the next quote here as JPY through GBP.
मैम एग्जाम में फुल फॉर्म लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है ना करेंसी का?
इसका? No, not necessary. I am only asking you for to see if you know.
मैम आपने वो एक्सक्लेमेशन डाला है क्या वहाँ पे?
Okay? एक सेकेंड 1.650. कहाँ पे एक्सक्लेमेशन? ये वाला?
सेकंड वाला.
सेकेंड वाले में कहाँ एक्सक्लेमेशन? नो, नोवेयर.
140.
वो 140.
सॉरी, 1 के लिए 1 गलती से.
हाँ.
ओके. तो सब चीज को मैं 4 डेसिमल्स में एक्सपैंड करती हूँ. What is my, how do I start here? Right. How do I start?
By cancelling one currency.
हाँ बेटा.
USD फिर से कट होगा शायद.
चलेगा, कोई भी करेंसी काट सकते हैं. USD दिख रहा है तो आप USD काट दो. ठीक है?
हाँ. यस.
मैं करती कोटेशन. ठीक है? जो काटना है ना हमें इजीली पड़ जाएगा. ठीक है? And here also I have USD. Correct? Then I'll write this as, sorry. यहाँ पे, sorry. I'm sorry, I think ये ऐसे. I'm sorry about this. So USD we will cut from here only because it's quite confusing. This is my third equation. And second equation जो है वैसे के वैसे I will write. Okay. So now what are we doing? USD वैसे we strike off. When I strike off USD, it is only JPY, GBP, right? So it is going to be, I am not making any side change. यहाँ पे भी because directly JPY, GBP
There is in a form. There is in a formal way.
Sorry. JPY, GBP is
There is a uniform. That's why we will not change the side.
correct. JPY, GBP. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ? ये what will I do? 1.65. अच्छा ये वाला ही टाइप बराबर नहीं हुआ ना. So I'll multiply it here is equal to 1.6350 into 1.6550. ठीक है? Why am I getting like this? अच्छा sorry. I'm sorry. Wait. Is equal to 1.6. I'm not making any side change. ठीक है? Into 1 and 3 कर रहे थे ना?
हाँ मैम 1 and 3.
Sorry. ठीक है? Same way is equal to this into
You get something 165.92368.
बराबर. You're right. हाँ. So this is going to be 4 derived from 1 into 3. ठीक है? कैसे आया आपको बता दिया. So now it's going to be, now second equation says JPY GBP is what? 140.2355 is equal to 140.2575. ठीक है? Can I check for arbitrage now?
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
Is there an arbitrage opportunity?
Yes ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
So there exists an arbitrage opportunity, right? So when I say that, so how will I demonstrate that? I will remove this annotation. How will I demonstrate that? Can someone help me?
By finding first bit and ask from which we will buy and sell,
Okay, list
and
of,
then
right, first,
and then we will multiply from 10 lakh.
हाँ, we say 1 million. ठीक है? हमेशा 10
Yes.
lakh.
Yes.
Call it
It's 1 million. Yeah.
जैसे आइडेंटिफाई तो कर लिया. तो कौन सा बिड कौन सा आस्क आएगा यहाँ पे?
So
Bit
we'll take ma'am 140.2575 and then sell it for 163.5.
Correct. 2575. 163.5. 163.50.
Yes.
ठीक है? एक मिनट. I will expand it to 4 decimals. Forex में we have it as 4 decimals. ठीक है? Now having done this, okay, which currency will you buy? Which currency will you sell? कौन से करेंसी खरीद के बेच के आपने प्रॉफिट बनाया?
JPY.
JPY.
GBP.
हाँ, GBP खरीदा.
So buy GBP
Correct.
from bank to A or B, whatever.
Correct. So can I have the formula?
1 million into ask upon bid.
into ask
Ask upon bid.
on bid. ठीक है, तो टिपिकली एग्जाम में जैसे करना है वैसे करती हूँ आज. ओके, 1 million, sorry, I'll remove this into, ठीक है, is equal to into ask divided by bid.
Bid.
This correct. Now what is the profit?
Yes.
Profit is, sorry, minus, you get so many JPYs bought, sorry, so many JPYs for every million GBP bought and sold. ठीक है, are you following? Are you following?
Yes.
All of
Yes.
So this is how you do. एक प्रॉब्लम आपके लिए दूं या होमवर्क के लिए दूं? होमवर्क के लिए करके अपलोड कर सकते हो, नहीं तो अभी आप ट्राई कर सकते हो.
मैम अभी ट्राई करते हैं.
अभी ट्राई करो, and after 2-3 minutes I will ask somebody to tell me how to. आपका आंसर मुझे पोस्ट करोगे तो और भी अच्छा रहेगा. ठीक है,
मैम
अब बेटा
हम ये नहीं लिखेंगे बाय GBP फ्रॉम बैंक बी एट रुपीज, ये नहीं लिखेंगे.
लिख लेते हैं ना. अच्छा सॉरी, हाँ
हाँ.
नहीं, actually not necessary, क्योंकि see I have to only find out if there is an arbitrage opportunity, and I have to find out how much of profit. So for us to
Okay.
understand in the initial stage, I told you how to do it. But if you want, I can write that step also for you. If this
No
is,
ma'am, but if it's not necessary.
once we understand that, but practice with that only. तभी आपको logic clear.
Okay.
Ask you what you did, why you did, you will understand. You'll be able to explain clearly. ठीक है? उसके साथ practice.
ठीक है मैम.
But even if you know this in the examination workout, I will give you marks, and it is right. Actually, it is right. Logic वही है. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you going to do? You are going to pay 163 point. I'm sorry, where is the quotation? Yeah, 140.2575 per GBP, and then buy 1 million GBP. So you're going to pay into 1 million, correct? And what will you do? You will sell it at 2. 2 में बेचो. Sorry, you will sell it at 4 for 163.5000 Japanese yen. समझ में आया आपको? वही करोगे. Logic is the same thing as we did. You want me to write those steps? Do you want me to write those steps? Yes, no.
Which ma'am?
वो जो पहले लिखे थे steps चाहिए तो मैं लिखती हूँ आपको.
Yeah,
नहीं,
ma'am.
नहीं.
Right.
Not
If you want, right, ma'am.
Not necessary. So we will do this. We'll continue what we were doing. ठीक है? एक और problem.
Yeah.
We will do it now. And after you do it, you will help me solve it. So this is the given problem. Identify if there, find out if there is any arbitrage opportunity. So you will work out. Is it okay? I'll start a new meeting here. Yeah, karte hai. I'll wait for your answer.
Okay, ma'am.
7 minutes. 7 minutes are there. 3 minutes maximum. ठीक है?